Hi, this is just a random episode, just a random video about Scratch is kind of broken. So, I'm gonna show you some weird things about Scratch. Just go to my account. I still use Scratch. Oh gosh, yeah. I just go into this one because it has the music thing. Okay, so Scratch has this My Blocks thing, and it's kind of weird. Like, let's just do that. Let's just make it have 4 booleans. Wait, no. Just destroy that. Okay, there. Okay. Look what you can do. So this is where you're supposed to define it. But look what I can do. Yeah, Scratch is kind of weird. And I actually saw that Scratch was not at all happy with this. So let's just grab that, just play that. Okay, so let's Control-Shift-I, let's inspect it. Let's see all the errors, the warnings it's giving us. It's all missing because there's a Y instead. Oh, and there's some... Well, this is Scratch. I'm coding Scratch. It must be hard, but this is pretty. They should fix this. Okay. So, there's a sound thing. And they start us off with pop. And one of my favorite things that me and my friend used to do was first let's make it as loud as possible. Then there used to be an echo option, and then we just make it faster. So, after this we kind of get this static noise. Yeah, you get this really eerie static noise. Goes like this. Just a really bad static noise. So yeah, just throw that away. By the way, this is my game. It's playing non-cat right now. I wish it would capture the computer audio, but my stupid screen capture I'm using just only does that in premium, so of course I have to do the old put the headphones on the, oh gosh. Yeah. It's kind of like my attempt at making Geometry Dash, except then it turns into like, kind of like a dodge thing with that. You know that momentum thing in like all the featured platforms or platformers in Scratch? Well, I kind of use something like that, but it's not as bad. Like, it doesn't do like mega drifts. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're seeing this, I'll put in the description a link to a straw poll. So, as you may know, I'm trying to start a video game, or like video game and screensaver and sprite company. And with my Canvas game, you know, Chi, like from the Dancing Chi videos. Yeah, it's not doing exactly the best right now. Like, funding is, no, I'm joking. Like, it's not the best. Oh. Ooh, let's record a sound. Okay, let's save that. Ah, that hurts my ears. Yeah, you can make some really disturbing sounds in the scratch sounds thing. So, by the way, Scratch, you have some pretty awesome loops. My favorite is probably, by the way, the video game things are kind of inaccurate. Of course, I'm not expecting the Scratch team to watch this video, but try making some more techno loops. I like trap beat a lot. Okay, yep. This is the short video of Scratch is kind of broken. So bye.